Alright everybody, you don't know who this is? This is the skilla. Now, today I'm going to bring you two things. Let you have two look at some people that are traveling with insects as if it's a joke. You understand what I'm saying? Now, first up, I'm going to show you this youth. A youth that is traveling with a centipede on his brain. Normally, Vibes Cartel would be like money on my brain, but this man had something different on his brain. So, take a look and observe.
People watch a man with the party leg on him face. Big and serious. Yo, show them say it not dead. Watch that. The call gone and I'm hot. Watch it. Instagram, watch how I go on. Watch it.
Alright, you see what I'm trying to tell you? Centipede on this man's head. Me not do that. I would not do that. Alright? That's a huge risk. Trust me. Next up is this female. Right? This lady with bed bugs in her head. I mean, your hair has to be greasy, like not washing for a while, to have things like these. Or maybe somebody just pass it on to her, who knows, but you know, it's just, you have to be careful. Alright? Observe. Man, the youth, someone had to see this, you know? I mean, this is the world we live in. It's just crazy, yo. But don't judge anybody. You don't know their situation can be. Alright, always remember to leave a comment, share your views, let me know what you think. And don't forget, if you want to keep up to date with what's going on in the world and especially in Jamaica, hit that subscribe button. Remember, my name is Skilla, and this has been Skilla's Entertainment.